Hello, everybody. Nice to meet you all. My name is Matthew Welch. I am enrolled in a few different courses here at UNE, including right now anatomy and biochem, and I plan on taking a few more in preparation for applications to PA school, hopefully in the next year or so. I have an undergraduate degree in public safety with an emphasis in public health and emergency management, and I got that from Grand Canyon University a few years ago. I currently live in Northeast Tennessee with my wife and my 3-year-old son and my 1-year-old daughter. I work as a paramedic for a county agency. That's where I'm at today, working. I've been in EMS for about 18 years, last 14 of those as a paramedic. I've been involved in various capacities in EMS, including administration and education. Right now I'm back in the field, kind of getting reacclimated to direct patient care as I prepare to apply for PA school. Being a PA is something I've wanted to do pretty much my entire career, and now is a great time. Just moved out to Tennessee from California about 6 months ago with my family, so we're still getting used to being in a new part of the country, but we absolutely love it out here. As far as free time and hobbies, I enjoy really exploring and hiking, as well as flying. I'm a private pilot, so when I have the time and money, I enjoy going flying and taking my son flying. Really looking forward to working with everybody. I know a lot of people have similar goals here as far as moving forward in their career paths, so I'm sure there's a lot of networking and a lot of things we can learn from one another. So good luck to you all, and I look forward to meeting you. Take care.